bomb about to say. When the way became tough, they were behind us. There was a time that supporters, players, injury, how we faced all kinds of challenges. But with the supporters cheering on, motivation, we went a lot of but all the same, we were able to make it. So that's credit to go to our supporters.
I like to hear technical team. For the first time, I can support recruitment from Division 1 to Kotoko. How much technical team again?
Remember 8 over 10, at least on my idea. Let me come. Let me go for the injuries. All the same.
You are talking to the board member, sorry, the board member because of what? What are you talking to the board member?
Fireman. Alhaji, Wadaruma, Kotoko, Africa, no, Muwasika. I want to go because Mrebi Etremona, Sikeni, Kotoko Coffers, now no Muwasika. I want to go to Africa, Kotoko, are you ready?
For the meantime, the board will meet and we decide on that. It's too early to talk about Africa. We still left with 2 matches to be played. And a bomb match league in the board will meet and they will decide either to go to Africa or not to go to Africa. We see to it.
Okay, I like